How to change the font size on your Kindle. So if the writing's too small, I'm going to show you two ways on how to go and increase the font size. Now, the first thing you need to do is go and unlock your Kindle and then just go and load up any of your ebooks. Now, once you're on an ebook, you can go and use your finger to swipe down at the top of the page and press all settings. You can then press accessibility and click on display and text size. Now, what you can do is go and set this to large, and although this won't change the font size when you're reading a book, it will change the font size on all of the settings on your Kindle. Now, if you want to go and change the actual font size on one of your books, then just head back over to your ebook, go and tap somewhere at the top of the screen, and you'll see this menu pop up. You can then go and click on the AA icon, and then you'll see the option here for size. So what you can do is go and increase or decrease the font size from here. Now you can also come back over to your ebook and you can just pinch your fingers together on the screen, and as you can see, we can also adjust the font size by doing this as well. So that's how to change the font size on your Kindle.